Hey guys, welcome back to VRK Homemaker. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to deep clean your chopping board. So, are you guys ready to get inside the video? Ready? Let's get started. If you are noticing a sour smell or just want to give your board a good deep clean, try this method. Here I'm using the lemon and squeezing the lemon juice on top of the board and giving a nice scrub. Now I'm going to pour cooking soda onto the board. If you have white vinegar, you can even pour a cup of vinegar over the entire board. But here I'm just using the lemon as well as the cooking soda. Allow it to sit for a few minutes and then we're going to give a nice scrub. After a few minutes, we started scrubbing it. Now you can see the dirt, how it is coming out, and I've used here only the lemon as well as the cooking soda. So if you want, you can even use the white vinegar too. Once it's done, I'm going to rinse it and you're going to have a final look of the chopping board. Learning a thing about how to keep a fairly organized and pretty clean house with a grateful heart in a way that leaves plenty of time for people who matters most. I hope you really had a great time to watch this video. Thanks for spending your valuable time to watch this video. End of this video, we're going to have a final look of this chopping board, how it is going to look. I'm so excited. So let's catch up with a new video again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.